Hey everyone, today we're gonna break down Zoey's hairstyle step by step with all the key tricks to get it just right. So let's get right into it. First, create a clean center part right down the middle. If your front pieces are long, just separate a small section to frame your face. Or you can use clip-in bangs for the full look. Either way, the buns are the main focus here, so let's keep moving. Now make a ponytail on each side. For the cleanest result, always make sure your hair is completely brushed out. Also, placement is absolutely key for this style. Let's zoom in to check the placement. Secure each pony with a hair tie right about ear level. You want them sitting perfectly, not too high and not too low. To make sure everything stays symmetrical, mirror your steps immediately. Whatever you do on one side, repeat it on the other. Now braid each ponytail all the way down into a simple 3-strand braid. If you're new to braiding, I've linked a full tutorial for a basic 3-strand braid in the description below. Now tie off the end with a clear elastic or one that matches your hair color. If you have fine hair and want a fuller bun, gently pancake the braid by pulling on the outer edges to create volume. Now wrap the braid right around the ponytail waist to build your bun. This is where you decide on your final look. For that clean Zoey cosplay, secure the buns with bobby pins to keep everything neat. This makes accessorizing super easy. But if you're wearing this to school or everyday, just use a soft scrunchie or a regular hair tie instead. I'm obsessed with Zoey's golden style, so I'm just adding a gold chain as an accessory. We're gonna wrap it around the base of each bun and then simply connect the ends together. And that's Zoey's super cute hairstyle. If you love K-pop hairstyles, check out the K-pop playlist. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe and tell me in the comments which K-pop Demon Hunters character you love most. See you in the next one.